Welcome to all in SV Union High School and Junior College, presented by Mrs. Vaishali Jadhav. Hello students, in the part 1 of this lesson fractions, we have studied about equivalent fractions, how to obtain equivalent fractions, and based on that we have studied from problem set 17 question number 1. Now, in this part 2, we are going to solve question number 2, 3, 4 and 5 based on equivalent fractions only. So, children, we have taken lots of efforts to prepare all these videos, so you will like, share and subscribe my channel. So, let us begin to solve question number 4. Students, see the question number 2. Find an equivalent fraction with denominator 18 for each of the following fractions. See, first fraction is given 1 upon 2. Let us write its answer. 1 upon 2. Now you must be knowing table of 2. 2 how many are 18? Yes, 2 nines are 18. So multiply in the numerator as well as in the denominator by 9. So 9 upon 9. What will be your answer? 9 upon 18. This is your example number 1. Now let us see second fraction. Second fraction is given 2 upon 3. Let's write its answer. Again students, we have to focus only on the denominator. We want denominator 18. Here what is the denominator? 3. 3 how many is 18? Yes, 3 6 the 18. So let us write here 2 upon 3 multiplied by 6 upon 6. So 6 2s are 12 divided by 6 3s are 18. So this is your answer. Alright. Let us see example number 3. See, here the fraction is given 4 upon 6. Children, again denominator we want 18. So 6 how many is 18? Yes, 6 3s are 18. So we have to multiply in the numerator as well as in the denominator by 3. 3 upon 3. So 4 3s are 12 upon 6 3s are 18. So answer is 12 upon 18. See the fourth example. Student, fourth fraction is given 2 upon 9. We want the denominator 18. Then think for this denominator 9 how many is 18? Yes, 9 2s are 18. So let us write here 2 upon 9 into 2 upon 2 or 2 divided by 2. Answer will be 4 upon 18. Right? So what is equivalent fraction of 2 upon 9? That is 4 upon 18. Student, fifth example is given 7 upon 9. In the previous example fraction was 2 upon 9. So 9 2s are 18. Same thing is over here. Same denominator. So let us write the answer. 7 upon 9 into, again 9 2s are 18. So multiply in the numerator also using 2. 7 2s are 40 upon 9 2s are 18. So this is our example number 5. Let us see last example of this question. Student, the fraction is given 5 upon 3 and we want denominator 18. Then concentrate on the denominator. 3 how many is 18? Yes, 3 6 are 18. So 5 upon 3 multiplied by 6 upon 6. Because we have to multiply in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So 5 6 are 30 upon 3 6 are 18. So what is the equivalent fraction of 5 upon 3 is 30 upon 18. Student, let us solve question number 3. See what is given question. Find an equivalent fraction with denominator 5 for each of the following fractions. In the previous question, we obtained every sum denominator 18. Now we have to obtain denominator 5. So what is the first example given? 6 upon 50. So let us write answer. In this question, we have to divide, children. Think for such a table. By dividing that number, we'll get denominator 5. Okay? Then how many 5s are 15? Yes, 3 5s are 15. So divide 3 upon 3. 6 upon 15 is divided by 3 upon 3. Answer is 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. So this is how we got the denominator 5. Children, you can think by another method also. We want the denominator 5. Yes, no. Here what is the answer given? 15. Then think like this. 5. How many are 50? Yes. 5 3s are 15. It means we have to divide by 3. By both the ways you can think and find out the divisor. Is it clear? See now. Second example. The fraction is given 10 upon 25. Answer. Okay, we want denominator 5. 5. How many are 25? Yes, 5 5s are 25. It means for this fraction in the numerator as well as in the denominator, we have to divide by 5. So 10 upon 25 divided by 5 upon 5. Alright? So 5 how many are 10? 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. So our answer is 2 upon 5. Students, see example number 3. The fraction is given 12 upon 30. Here we want the denominator 5. As I told, say the table of 5 till this number 30. 5 how many are 30? Yes, 5 6 are 30. It means we have to divide here by 6. Therefore, 12 upon 30 divided by 6 upon 6. 6 2s are 12 and 6 5s are 30. So our equivalent fraction is 2 upon 5. Let's see example number 4. 6 upon 10. We want the denominator 5. 5 how many are 10? 5 2s are 10. Yes, it means we have to divide by 2. So divide 2 upon 2. Okay, 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. Okay. Student, see the fifth example. Numbers or fractions are given 21 upon 35. We want the denominator 5. As I told, say the table of 5 till number 35. Yes, 5 7s are 35. So divide 21 upon 35 by 7 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. 7 3s are 21, 7 5s are 35. So again we got the denominator 5 and our numerator is 3. So what is the equivalent fraction of 21 upon 35 is 3 upon 5. We'll study question number 4. Let's see question number 4. See the question. From the fractions given below, pair of the equivalent fraction. See the list of fractions is given. 2 upon 3, 5 upon 7, 5 upon 11, 7 upon 9, 14 upon 18, 15 upon 13, 18 upon 27, 10 upon 14. See now this fraction 2 upon 3. Cannot be divisible. Both are prime numbers. 5 upon 7 they are prime numbers. 5 upon 11 prime numbers. 7 upon 9 cannot be divisible. So from here onwards we'll start finding out equivalent fraction. Let us take first one, 14 upon 18. Now 14 and 18 both the numbers are in the table of 2. It means these both the numbers are divisible by 2. So divide by 2 upon 2. Yes, 2 7s are 14, 2 9s are 18. It means 14 upon 18 is equivalent to 7 upon 9. So this is over. Now let's see second fraction. 15 upon 33. Yes, both the numbers are divisible by 3. 15 and 33, both the numbers are divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So 15 upon 33 is equivalent to 5 upon 11. Now let's see third one. 18 upon 27. Both these numbers are in the table of 9. It means both the numbers are divisible by 9. So divide it by 9 upon 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. So 18 upon 27 is equivalent to 2 upon 3. Now only one fraction is left. We'll study that also. 10 divided by 14. 10 and 14 are in the table of 2. It means 10 and 14 is divisible by 2. So divide by 2 upon 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14. So your answer is 5 upon 7. So is it very clear to you all children how to obtain the equivalent fractions if the list is provided? Let us solve question number 5. See, the question is given, find two equivalent fractions for each of the following fractions. First fraction is given 7 upon 9. See student, to obtain equivalent fraction, write from 2 till 100, whatever number you feel easy, comfortable to obtain equivalent fraction, you can multiply using that number. So see the answer. We'll start with very small number first 2. 7 first one. 7 upon 9 into 2 upon 2. When we are obtaining equivalent fractions, we have to multiply in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Okay. So 7 2s are 14. 9 2s are 18. This is your first equivalent fraction. Now second one. 7 upon 9. We'll take number 5. No problem. 5 upon 5. Multiply using in the numerator and denominator by 5. So 7 5s are 35 and 9 5s are 45. So your second equivalent fraction is 35 upon 45. Let's see next fraction. Here next fraction is given 4 upon 5. As I already told, whatever number you feel comfortable using that you can multiply. So let us obtain first fraction. I am multiplying in the numerator and denominator by 3. So 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. So your first equivalent fraction of 4 upon 5 is 12 upon 15. Second one, 4 upon 5. I am going to multiply in the numerator and denominator by 7. As I told you, from 2 to 100 using any number you can multiply. 100 you can take till 1000 also. Choice is yours. But try to avoid complications and make the calculations easier. So 7 4s are 28 upon 7 5s are 35. So next equivalent fraction of 4 upon 5 is 28 upon 35. Student, see the third fraction is given 3 upon 11. Okay, in here I am going to multiply using 6. 6 3s are 18, 11 6s are 66. So what is equivalent fraction of 3 upon 11? 18 upon 66. Second one, 3 upon 11. Let me multiply it by 10. No problem. You can multiply using 10 also. 3 10s are 30. 11 10s are 110. So 3 upon 11 equivalent fraction is 30 upon 110. I hope so you all must have understood this question also in detail very clearly.